Never give up, motherfucker. I'ma drink it till I'm stuck.
Okay, so hi! Today we are doing another reshave and haircut. And of course, first step was to reshave. As you guys saw, I'm bringing back the cyber edge that I do for a couple of reasons. First of all, I really did not like having to shave up close to my actual long hair. It's just a stressful thing, I don't like doing it. And of course, it is what contributed to the fact that my hawk is a little bit off center. That was on purpose initially, back before I was doing extensions, and a little bit while I was doing extensions too. But it did get exaggerated because of some mistakes that I did back in the day. And I really was noticing that once I stopped doing the cyber edge and then with the bangs. A lot of you guys did too, and normally it wouldn't really bother me, but with the bangs it was. And so I'm kind of bringing back the cyber edge a little bit to try to maybe correct that. I also am not a fan of how far this actually got up my head at the end of my hawk. So I wanted to do a nice little, V shape, bringing that back down. This still isn't fixing it. It's still not quite centered. I'm kind of just too lazy to really fix it, and I just kind of want to be done right now. I first started doing the edge just for aesthetic reasons. I just liked how it looked. I thought it was a cool extra detail. Just like these things, my ear tails, just for looks, just an extra detail. It's just because I like it. But now I'm bringing it back for those practical reasons of making sure that I don't keep fucking up my hawk, and so that I can have this V shape down a lot longer like I want it to be. Will I actually grow them out long to match everything else? I don't know, because it would take a while and I might run out of patience and I might just trim them and do it how I used to do for a while. We'll see, we'll find out. I don't have all the answers. I don't know everything. Obviously, I barely know how to do my own hair. But yeah, I just wanted to stop and chat about this, kind of explain why I'm doing things this way, what's going on, and then also so I can talk to you about what's coming up next. So this is a reshave and haircut video, so that means we are going to cut my hair. What I have planned for today is actually a pretty big thing that I've been wanting to do for a really long time. If you saw my latest haircut vlog, then you probably heard me mention it. And that is, I want to take all of this color off. So the plan is next is to cut all of this color off. Yay, exciting. So this is how it looks right now. You guys have seen it in my bangs video, hopefully. If you haven't seen the bangs video, go check that one out. But I'm really excited about this. So here is a before shot for you guys of what everything looks like right now. How much pink is there, how much root outgrowth there is, what you can maybe expect to happen in the next few minutes. I'm also excited because my hair will still fit in a ponytail, even if I cut all the color off. So this will be a very interesting day, an interesting video. I have no idea really how it's gonna turn out, how it's gonna end up, but yeah, all I know is that I want the color off, and I think we can do it. I think I can do it. So now that we are all caught up on the plans for today, what we'll be doing, what will happen next, I'm gonna go shower, and then we're gonna fucking do it. Who's excited? I'm excited.
Shut my eyes and ruminate, all waiting for you. Boundless dreaming, shut my eyes and ruminate, all waiting for you. Boundless dreaming.
Stay, I'll be hanging on.
I feel like this is not the right haircut for my head shape, like face shape, but this is definitely like a haircut that people have. This is like 1920s-ish, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. It's kind of flappers-y. Let's see, I think, yeah, back to short hair life. I'm into it. So something I forgot to mention before I got started was that I'm not trying to cut a hairstyle in my hair right now. As you guys maybe picked up on, I'm not trying to like give myself a pixie cut. I'm not trying to do anything cute with my hair right now. All I wanted to do was cut the color off and keep it at a length that I can install my extensions into. If you know me, you probably knew that's what I was going for. If you don't know me, you're probably like, what the hell is she doing? She's ruining her hair. Well, newsflash, I always ruin my hair all the time. So it's okay, I'm okay with this. I honestly don't care. I don't wear my hair down anymore at all. I just wear extensions, and if I don't have extensions in, then I just put my hair up in a bun or a ponytail. And now that I'm getting into wigs a little bit, then I'll be wearing wigs. So I just wanted to get that color out. And there are still hints of pink in here. So in the back especially, you can see it the most because it's dried the most. But I didn't cut off all of the pink because that would just be a little bit too tricky without like deciding, okay, I want to have like 2-inch hair. So I'm not going to be too picky about the pink that's left over. It's small enough where it doesn't bother me. Just super not going to worry about it at all. But as for now, this can be our after shot of the hair. This is my hair now. Hell yeah. I know that what sucks is that there are a lot of you out there that care more than I do about what my hair looks like. So if I broke anybody's heart by doing this, I guess I'm sorry. I'm more just sorry that you care that much. And if anybody out here is liking this, cool, I guess. It's like, that's dope. I don't think it looks particularly cute, but like I said, that's not what I was going for. Let's see if we can do a ponytail, because that's fun. Cute, tiniest ponytail. Actually, it's not the tiniest. I think I've had smaller ponytails than this in my life. Dope. Alright, yeah, cute. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing me destroy my hair and turn it from something that was actually a fairly cute hairstyle at the start to whatever the hell this is. But all that matters is how I feel about it, because guess what? It's my hair. But in all seriousness, hope you guys enjoyed this somehow, somewhat. If you think my hair is goofy now, if you think it's ugly, if you think it's relatively cute, then like, yeah, whatever. Don't forget that you guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll have links down below, along with my Facebook, Tumblr, YouNow, and Patreon. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already, especially if you'd like to see how I destroy my hair next. Alright, but that is all that I have for you guys for this video. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!